Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can unlink your CFX account from FiveM. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the CFX website and from here proceed by logging in your account. Right after, navigate through your profile icon, which is going to be at the top right corner of your screen, and from here click account. Inside, navigate through the connections option, and then you will be able to see all of the linked accounts on this page. Basically, for example, if you have the Patreon, Google, or finally FiveM right here, you can just click on the unlink button and basically you are good to go. In my case, the FiveM isn't available, but once again, you can just click on the unlink and that's about it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.